Hi everyone, today I will show you how to create a pop-up on LearnWorlds. First log in into the LearnWorlds website, then click on the website menu. From here you will see the pop-up option, click here and then it will load the page, then click on the add pop-up. There are lots of options for pop-up. We can use the pop-up to get more lead, or we can use the pop-up to show notification like this. Here you can see 30% discount offer as a pop-up. So we can try this one for lead. At first we have to provide the pop-up name and we can specify which group, or you can leave this as it is. Click create. Here you can see pop-up is showing now, and on here you can see our pop-up, and this is green, that means this pop-up is currently public. Click save. If you want to hide this, click again. Now this pop-up is not visible to public. We can make this visible, and from here we have lots of setting. We can target audience, like this pop-up will visible to all users, or we can show this pop-up to only the people who are not logged in into our website, or logged in user, or we can tag user. And also nobody option is available. We can choose this like we can choose this for not logged out user, and then we can select this for selected device, like we can skip this from phone, and then we can select where to show this pop-up. We can show this on our entire website, or we can show this on our specific website, like we are going to show this on our home page only. And when to show the pop-up, we can select the pop-up to show after the page is loaded, or after the user scroll the page, or if any user is inactive for few seconds or minute, or this pop-up will show when user try to close the tab. We are going to select the page load option, and for second we are going to select 2 seconds, and we can modify the color and text, etc. like this. Like this we can do lots with this. And here this is the form which will only collect email address, and after anyone submit the form, we can redirect them to any page or something like that, or URL, or we can skip this to none. And if we want to add more option, like we want to add more text or image, we can do from here. We can select for all users for now, so we can test this. And now refresh. Here you can see our form is showing now. That's it for today. Thank you very much.